Today, we will show you the ANENG burn-proof multimeter. There is a support frame on the back. Convenient for standing operation. Unscrew the bolt. Open the battery cover. Replace two AA batteries. Instantly fully charged. Measure AC voltage directly with the range selector. The instrument will not be damaged at 250 volts. When repairing equipment, generally, check if the circuit is connected first. If this test shows a sound, it indicates that the circuit is connected. Let's test whether the input AC voltage is normal. The measured voltage is within the normal range. Transistor detection. Insert the pin into the transistor test socket. DC voltage is commonly used for battery measurement. The car battery is also. This type of battery is also. It can also measure various DC voltages. Milliampere alternating current. When measuring current, must be connected in series to the circuit. 208 AC current. Replace the red test lead with the 208 socket. You can then measure the alternating current. 208 DC current. Swap the red probe wire to the 20A socket. You can then measure the DC current. Press the hold button to maintain the value. Milliampere DC current. When measuring current, need to be connected in series to the circuit. The capacitance usually needs to be measured when repairing household appliances. Before measuring capacitance, short circuit discharge is required. Then you can proceed with the measurement using the test leads. Diode detection. It can illuminate these LED beads. It can be used to test the quality of LED lights on detection equipment. Testing the quality of the remote control car's wiring. The beeping sound will occur. If there's a beeping sound, it's a good sign. Resistance detection. It can be measured quickly. The measurement can be quickly taken once the probes make contact. Perfect for use in circuit repair. Precise measurement. No need for manual power off. 15 minutes of inactivity. The instrument has entered sleep mode. Portable for work.